Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video I'll show you how you can use potato to remove the pigmentation and dark spots from your skin. Pigmentation and hyperpigmentation problem is very common nowadays, but you have the solution of it in your kitchen itself. The potato is a very good ingredient in removing the pigmentation and hyperpigmentation from your skin very easily and permanently. So to treat pigmentation, hyperpigmentation and dark spot problem, you firstly gonna need a potato. And now I'm using a small grater and I'm just grating this potato, and there is no need to peel the potato because potato skin also have a lot of antioxidants and antibacterial properties which works really well in removing the dark spots and pigmentation from your skin. So now after finally grating the potato, your potato paste will look something like this, and now we'll use this potato paste to make our face mask which will remove your dark spot and hyperpigmentation problem. So firstly I'm just taking 2 teaspoons of this grated potato in a clean bowl. Next up you're gonna need mulethi powder, which is also known as licorice powder. And here I'm adding 1 or 1.5 teaspoon of this licorice powder into it. After that you're gonna need honey, and here I'm adding 1 teaspoon of honey into it. And now lastly I'm using milk, but if you have oily skin then you can also use rose water. So here I'm adding 2 to 3 teaspoons of raw milk, or you can even use the rose water if you have oily skin. And after adding the milk or the rose water, now you just have to give a good mix to all these ingredients so that they make a smooth paste. And after mixing all the ingredients really well, your homemade dark spot removal face mask is ready. This face mask is highly beneficial to treat pigmentation, hyperpigmentation, scars, acne scars, pimple scars, or any type of scars which you have on your body. This will remove them permanently from your skin within just few uses of this face mask. So the consistency of this mask should be medium, which is neither so thick and nor so runny, and should look something like this. So now let me tell you how to use this face mask for best results. So you can apply this face mask using a brush, or you can even use your fingertips to apply this face mask. So firstly I'm just applying this face mask using a brush. I'm just applying a thick layer of this face mask all over my skin. And then I'm using my fingertips to just give a gentle massage onto my skin so that this face mask works deeply and just gives good result really fastly. And after applying a thick layer of this face mask all over my skin, I'm just going to leave it like this for around 15 to 20 minutes or until it dries completely. And once it dried completely, just rinse it off using normal water and then pat dry and moisturize your skin. And to remove dark spots and pigmentation or hyperpigmentation problem from your skin completely, you have to use this face mask twice or thrice in a week. So yeah, that's it for this video. I really hope that you enjoyed this video, and if you like it then don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. And yeah, that's it for today. I'll see you guys super soon with a brand new video. Till then, bye bye, take care.